All right, we want to listen into NASA as it is now getting ready for that launch that's going to be happening in less than a minute now. This is out at Cape Canaveral in Florida as the Perseverance rover, as we take another view of this, is going to be taking off here at 6:50. It will be searching for signs of ancient life on the red planet.
It's going to take it 7 months before it gets to Mars. It's got a long journey ahead of it. Now, what they're going to do is they're going to experiment to test whether carbon dioxide on Mars, in Mars's atmosphere, can be used to produce oxygen for possible human stays on the planet. Perseverance is headed for a very cold, a very dry crater, once an ancient lake. It's called, let me look at this real quickly, it's called Jazero's crater, and that's where it is going to land. Oh, here we go.
0.
Release. And Atlas TU has gone to closed loop control. Coming up on 30 seconds into flight, the RD-180 is throttling down as expected. Engine response looks good. And Mach 1, Atlas V is now supersonic. And passing 45 seconds into flight, vehicle is now passing through max Q, maximum dynamic pressure. And passing 1 minute into flight, the RD-180 is throttling back up as expected. Engine response looks good. At this time in flight, the SRB chamber pressures remain nominal. The RD-180 pump speed and fuel injector pressures are responding well to demands on the engine. Standing by for SRB burnout shortly. And we have burnout on all 4 SRBs. Burnout pressure signatures look good. Standing by for SRB jettison shortly. And we have a good indication of SRB jettison of all 4 SRBs. And the vehicle has gone to closed loop guidance. Vehicle body rates are responding nominally at this time. And coming up on 2.5 minutes into flight, the RD-180 is throttled down slightly as expected. Engine response continues to look good. At this time, the vehicle is 50 miles in altitude, 85 miles downrange, traveling at 6,000 miles per hour. And the Centaur reaction control system is now pressurizing to flight levels.
All right, and Perseverance is now just a blip on our screen after a successful launch so far from Cape Canaveral, Florida. This is launching on a ULA Atlas 541 rocket. It's going to be heading to Mars, and as we take a view there from the rocket itself, it's going to be traveling for quite a while, 7 months now, with an expected landing on February 18th, 2021. It'll be in that Jezero crater, and what they're looking for there is signs of life as you see them releasing some of the rocket there. Previously, it was Curiosity that was exploring Mars, and Curiosity discovered this crater. It discovered what appeared to be a river flowing into it, and it's about the size of Lake Tahoe, the crater, and so very exciting as we're looking for life on another planet at this point. There's a lot of cameras on this. at least 19 different cameras. And one very cool thing that I read is that NASA is going to actually try to piece together what the landing looks like so that at some point after the landing, we'll be able to watch that moment.
That'll be pretty cool. Guys, what's so interesting about this, you know, in relation to Curiosity, is the window to launch from Earth to Mars comes around every 26 months. So they have to strategically plan where they're going to launch these rovers, these rockets up into space. And I just think it's so interesting. You know, it's going to take 7 months to get there, 10 years to get those rocks and samples back. Interesting to see what that could look like.
Fascinating that we can go on this journey too.
Yeah,
think about
absolutely.
this. You know, we are watching this take off to space. We're looking at Earth.
Yeah.
You know, we're on that blue orb there. It's just incredible that we can be a part. And this has been an incredible year for space exploration when you think about it. Earlier this year, we saw SpaceX take off. Artemis 1, which is, you know, by what, 2024, they want to put the first woman on the moon. So we've got to be able to watch all of this. It's incredible.
Yeah, and it's not a short trip either. 7 months, 65 million miles from the Earth to Mars. The other really cool thing about this exploration is onboard Perseverance, sort of hitching a ride, is Ingenuity, which is a helicopter. And so that helicopter, it's mainly there just to see if we can fly a helicopter on Mars. It has 2 rotors about 4 feet long each, and it's going to lift up. And a lot of this mission is about sort of what's next, as you mentioned, Mandy, getting eventually a person to Mars to see if we can do that. And so they're doing a lot of these tests. They're, you know, drilling rocks that we're going to be picking up later, you know, 11 years later. So we will see how it goes.
What will life look like then, right? Yeah,
Exactly.
Perseverance is outfitted with all kind of fun little tools. I've been following some astronauts from NASA, and they're saying, as you mentioned, they have that nifty little helicopter. They also have MOXIE, and that's going to basically produce small amounts of oxygen in the Martian landscape to see how it does up there too. And again, all that stuff we'll be able to analyze and look at 11 years from now.
And of course the weather too. It's got a pressure sensor on there, temperature sensor on there, a wind sensor on there. They're going to be studying the climate as well as the geology. So I think it's pretty awesome that they're doing it. I also wanted to mention quickly too, not only do they have, you know, that little helicopter on board, they also have 11 million names inside inside the little rover, part of a center named Mars, the competition that they did before. There's also a plaque on there that honors all the global healthcare workers that are fighting so hard, you know, during this pandemic, which I thought was a really cool addition, you know, a little piece of a historic thing that they're doing. Yeah,
and you know, speaking of names, you'll remember we reported on this early in spring. Perseverance was chosen from more than 28,000 essays and submissions from students all over the country. And right now, you know, as we're going through a lot as a country, I feel like Perseverance is such a fitting name for this mission, as they've kept fighting, starting this since 2012 to get it to launch. You could never have expected it would have been under these conditions, but here they are with, you know, with no delays. They're headed to Mars.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So we'll see how this plays out for the future. As we said earlier, our great, I don't know how many greats we need in there, but one day, you know, our future ancestors may be living on Mars. This is all part of it.
Yeah, we'll find out. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning on KXAN News Today. I hope this has been as exciting for you as it was for us just to watch this here. History in the making. We will see what's next for Perseverance, but we wish it the best of luck.